Hello everyone, friends, and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can change your Facebook name. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Also write your comments at the end of the video and be sure to give your likes. So let's go ahead and get into this topic. First of all, open the Facebook app on your device, and then go to the bottom right-hand corner and go to Menu. When you open it, in the top right corner, tap on the gear to go to Settings and Privacy. Next, you'll need to go to the Meta Account Center. It's right here. When everything is loaded up here, click on Profiles. Next, you'll take your Facebook page where you'd like to change the name. And then you click on the Name section. And here, friends, you'll be able to enter your new first name, also last name. And after you've made all the necessary changes, click just at the bottom. Click Next. And now at the bottom you need to click on this Add Changes button, which will immediately make the changes to your Facebook name. But the next time you can change your name won't be for another 60 days. So friends, please choose your name carefully so that you don't have to change it again very quickly. Because for 2 months, you will not be able to do it. That's how you can change your name on Facebook, friends. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.